Hello, my fellow investors. It's Intelligent Investor here. In today's video, we'll be talking about AMC and GME. But before we start the video, just know that this video is sponsored by Acorns, so please use the link in the description down below and sign up with Acorns. I'm telling you, 5 years from now, you're going to look back and you will not regret it. So, guys, you have to be patient with that. And trust me, 5 years from now, your returns are going to be well. So, please, guys, sign up. It'll be great. Also, hit the like button, share this video, and please subscribe. Let's try to hit 5,000 subscribers. Once that happens, I will be giving away free stocks and also be giving away free gift cards. So please help me out with that. Let's reach 5,000 probably by the end of this month. If we can't do it by the end of this month, let's try to do it just by the end of the year or whatever. So let's hit that, guys, and let's start the video. So what am I going to talk about? AMC and GameStop. Now, if you see these stocks are dropping, and that's because I've noticed that they've been shorted still. So these hedge funds are not learning. They're still shorting the stock and they're manipulating the stock so people can sell. And this is all a long-term thing. So know that, guys. They're trying to scare people out, and this is what the hedge funds and Wall Street are trying to do. They're trying to make this a long fight. So they're playing it a long way so they can actually bore people out of these stocks and actually make them sell so they can get the price as low as possible so it can, come down and they can recover at a cheap price. But just know that the squeezes still have to happen. Why? Because they're paying interest on all these shorted stocks. So GME was shorted about 60% the last time I saw. And now I know they're back around 65, almost 70% because they keep shorting the stock. They're trying to play this long wait so they can bring the stock as down as possible because they're still losing a lot of money if they buy it at $63. So what I'm doing in this meantime, now that the stocks are being able to be traded, not AMC as much, but GameStop, as you see when it goes up, I do some day trades there. So I bought some more on Friday and I sold some off in pre-market because I know it's going to start up and it's going to get squeezed down short. As you see, it's coming down quickly because these hedge funds are dropping the stock down. A lot of people are jumping out because you see the volume is a little bit high-ish, but it's not as bad. So this stock is still being manipulated. Understand that, guys. As you see, it's a huge drop here, and that shows that the stock is being manipulated heavily so people can be scared and jump out. And if people see that they have a bunch of money there and it's not fluctuating up, then people are going to jump out. Again, like I said, this is a long-term thing. This stock, again, was about $4. It took about, 5 months before it jumped up. And then it took a little while, over another month, before it started shooting up and we had all this crazy momentum. AMC just did that once. And when it had this spike here, they couldn't recover their shares at this price. As you see, the volume was at 1.8 billion. Here it was at 3.1 billion. And they traded far more than that. It was about over 100 billion shares, or not 100 billion shares. Was it about something about 12 billion shares? Sorry, my bad. I was thinking millions, but billions. But this was also people trading the stock. So you have to understand that. So, again, this is the thing that's happening. They want to scare people out. If you have the will, just suck it up and wait it out. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you that what I'm doing, I'm just going to suck it up. But again, like I said, I'm trying to recover a lot of my money from GameStop. I did do a day trade on this, or not a day trade, sorry, swing trade from Friday to today, and I made $1,200. So I'm trying to recover some money back. It's whenever it has this quick shot ups, it's because these hedge funds are investing a lot of money into it. So they're dumping money so the stock can go up and then people can buy up. So as you see something like this, let's say they do this huge jump up, jumps to 72, and then, people start buying the stock because they're like, oh, it's going up again. So it goes up to 73 and then they start jumping out and they start making their profit. So that's what they're doing. They're not dumb people, that they're in Wall Street for a reason. They've made billions of dollars for a reason. The only way we can't really outsmart them, but we can wait them out. And if we do that, then we will win. But people need to stop panic selling. Again, if you have to sell because you have financial issues, then go for it. But that's why I always say only invest where you're willing to lose. And that's what I do. So when I take these risks, I take them and I make sure that I'm willing to lose all of that. But I usually never lose. Why? Because I don't sell. So if GameStop drops back to $4 or $10, then I'm just going to keep it. I'm not going to sell it. I'm not going to give them the gratification, the satisfaction or gratification of them taking my money. So I'll just keep shares of the stock and I'll keep it long term. AMC, I know it'll jump up back to 20 eventually because theaters will open up soon. And once things start recovering from the pandemic, AMC will have to go back up. They're getting still interest from investors, so I'm sure it'll come back up. So understand that, guys. Also, just know that you don't make money quickly. So a lot of people here on Robinhood or other platforms now, everybody wants to make quick money, and Churchill is one of them. I like Churchill, and I feel like it's going to be better than Neo. I honestly do. But Churchill Capital, I mean, the merger hasn't been fully announced. They said, oh, this is what they're planning on doing. And this stock has blown up so much just because of hype. So be careful when you invest in it, okay? Because, again, like I say, it's a huge risk just because they haven't announced any news. So if they say, oh, the merger isn't going to go through, then this stock will drop down to 10 as quickly as it went up. So again, just know the dangers. I'm not saying that it's not a good stock to invest in. I'm saying that it is a good stock once the merger happens, and I'm sure it's going to be better than Neo because this will be American made, and pretty much Neo won't have as much success in America that Lucid Motors will. So again, it is a good company to invest in, but again, it's really overpriced. From the numbers I've seen on this stock is worth about $17 at the moment. So again, like I said, be careful. Just saying, it's a good stock, but be careful. So a lot of people are just trying to make money quickly, and I understand that if you can play with emotion, I do. I bought Churchill Capital at $20 when it dropped it was like a week ago, or was it? It was back at $20. It had this huge drop. I think it was somewhere back here. It had a $20 drop. I bought it and I sold it back at $35. So I made a good swing trade, and I understand that people go with emotion. So I do a quick swing trades here and there. But like I said, same thing with GameStop. I've been doing some swing trades here and there and making some profits. I mean, I'm not pushing it heavy, but I'm making some profits. And I'm taking those risks because, I got to recover some of the money I lost. And I know how to do it. So if you guys don't know how to do it, then I wouldn't say, and I wouldn't recommend you guys doing it. But it has a typical pattern. And again, you see the stock dropping. It's dropping quickly right now, So it's showing that it's being, again, shorted and manipulated quickly. So again, something you guys need to look out for. And that's pretty much it. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be doing another video later talking about EXPC. So stay tuned for that one. I'll let you know the details on that and why I'm heavily going to invest in that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.